Hello, my name is Joshua McClure and I am here to do my notebook completion video assignment. I did and was able to print out the assignment and the notebook check of what I would be graded on, and so this is one thing that I went by in terms of just making sure my notebook was accurate in terms of what I was going to be turning in. So this is the front of my notebook, which is work. It says my name, the class, and this is an ongoing workbook. And I have it divided by tabs. And so what I did was I did put my syllabus in first, and I did it by module and by the name of the assignments in which I would be doing. And behind the modules, what I have are the module book within itself, and also any handouts that was on the class Moodle website. So this first is my syllabus, as you see, for the course. The pages. Sorry. So, and then we're gonna move forward to module 1, which here is the module 1, and this is the module handout of the book. Then here's some more handouts. Here's another handout. Here's another handout, which is the Summary North Carolina Child Care Laws and Rules. Here's the Family Child Care Home Requirements. Here's the, the sanitation. And here is the basic information for potential providers. And then here is the child care rules. And one of the things that I had to do with some of these, as you see, was print front and back on them. And what I did was I paper clipped them together so that they would stay together. And as I'm doing this video, you could see in terms of the handouts and how I have them separated. I am kind of a organized guy and OCD, and so that's one thing is just making sure I had those paper clips. So, and this was the thickest packet to print. Oh, sorry. And so the next one is going to be the module 1 assignments. And so here I have my personal philosophy. And then what I did was that I printed off of how it would be graded. And then here's my grades. And I did that for a lot of them. I printed the assignment and then on the back put the grade rubric of how it was scored. Here's the mission, goals, and statement. And here is the rubric of how it was scored. And then we move on to module 2. And then here's the module 2 handouts. Here's the PowerPoint. And then here are the rules and regulations. Here are the rules and regulations. And these are the assignments. And what I did was printing out the due dates, but also of how I would be scored. And so here's the child abuse. And again, like I said on the back, I have them all with the grade rubric on the back. Here's the upgraded regulatory and accreditation. Here's the management checklist. Here's the professional development plan for a child care center and employees. Here's the staff scheduling and maintaining staff to child ratio. Here's the orientation plan. And then we move on to module 3, which you see there. And here's our reading assignment, which is the packet I printed. Here's a handout. And then here is public relations and community outreach. Here again is the due date and the assignment within itself, and the rubrics of how it would be graded, which is the whole packet. And so here's the marketing plan for Strive and STEM. Here is the ad of vacant spaces of what I'm trying to enroll for. Here is an ad. Here's the open house plan. Here's the newsletter. And here's my brochure. And again, like I said before, what I did was I printed all of these out, and how it was scored for the sheet I just put behind all of them, and that's why you see that they are paper clipped. And then here is module 4. Here's the module 4 reading assignment. And then here is the staff and organizational management. And then here again is the due date and what's expected of how it was graded. And then here we have the interview process, the classified ad for a teaching position, the staff meeting agenda, the Strive and STEM Educational Learning Center, and this is the personnel of hiring, what's expected, all of that. And then again, like I said before, on the back of each one and while they're paper clipped, I put the rubrics of how it was graded and what grade I received. And here we have module 5. Sorry, my hair is hitting the phone. Here's the module 5 printout. And then here's the financial management. And then here again is the assignment within itself and the assignments behind it of the due dates and how it will be scored. And here is the written fee policy, the salary schedules. Here is the budget for the center. And here is the evaluating of the monthly bid budget. And again, like I said before, each one of these and why they're paper clipped is I have the thing printed off behind of how I was scored. And so I did again print this off and go by this in terms of what needed to be in my notebook. And this was the assignment of the notebook completion video assignment. And I just wanted to say that I really have enjoyed this class and getting familiar more with what it takes to be an admin, and I'm excited to see what EDU 262 holds. Thank you.